dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily deauthorize your computer from iTunes. So for doing this you just need to open iTunes. So you can also found it in Launchpad. So here you can see iTunes, so just tap on it. So after you will open it, you just need to go up and found your account and you will find authorizations. So just tap on it and here you will find deauthorize this computer. So just tap on it. So here you can see there also my computer it's deauthorized. So if you see here example of mail, it means that you successfully deauthorize your computer. So you can also authorize it. So this is the way how, but if you see here your email, you just need to write your password and just tap on the authorize and it will successfully deauthorize your computer. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.